Today we're doing a 20-minute postpartum ab and pelvic floor workout. If you're following along the postpartum challenge, today is day 4. However, you can also do this as a standalone workout if you want to heal and strengthen your core anytime. You don't need any equipment for this workout. In the beginning, I will do a couple of stretches with a strap. You could also grab a baby blanket or a long sleeve shirt if you were doing your arm workout yesterday and your arms are feeling a little bit sore. If you're enjoying these videos, one of the best ways to support me is to share this out with your favorite mom friends or share these videos out on your social media. We can place our strap down for the time being. Let's come to a comfortable seated position. Let's start with some gentle shoulder rolls. Going both ways. Let's stretch to one side. Big inhale in. Exhale. Using your obliques coming up, switching to the other side. Moving back and forth. And clasp our hands round out through our upper back. Let's grab our knees, opening up through our chest, keeping your ribs pulled down and in. Release if you have a strap or a baby blanket. You can take your hands fairly wide apart and you can go up and just go as far as feels back. If you're wide enough, you might be able to go all the way around. Good, you can bend one elbow. Switching to the other side. Let's drop our strap behind us, stretch through our triceps. Good. You can switch to the other side. Release. Let's just stretch our arm across now. Other way. Good. Release. Let's take a big breath into our side and back ribs. Keep our shoulders relaxed and exhale. Bring it all in. Inhale again. We can add a pelvic floor contraction. Zippering up. Good. So we'll continue that breath throughout the practice. Let's come to all fours. You can take some gentle cat and cow here. Exhale. Inhale. Release. Exhale. Engage, lifting through your belly button. Inhale, slight arch. Good. Let's come to a neutral spine. Engage through our core. We're going to lift opposite hand and leg so we can point one leg behind us. We're going to keep our hips very stable. The core work comes from not rocking through our hips at all. Exhale, engage, zipper up, lift, inhale, down. Good. Move with your own breath. Last one. Good. We're going to come up And we can fan out. If you do have diastasis recti, just hold here in this position, keeping your core engaged. If you're fanning out, exhale, fan out, in. Last one. Beautiful. Release down. Let's take a big breath. Setting up on the other side. Exhale. Lift. Feeling your core work here. And either holding here, or if it's safe for you, we'll fan out, keeping your arm and leg level. Good, bringing it in, breathe. We can tuck our toes. We're going to come up into a bear hover. If you have diastasis recti, you're just going to engage your core and press your knees into the ground. If it's safe for you, we can lift off. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Breathe. We'll do that again. Exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. You can do the same thing again, or we can twist our knees to the side. Exhale up, and then using your abs, twist, twist. Exhale as you drop your hip. Good, release. Let's take a breath. Relax your pelvic floor. If you have diastasis recti, we're going to stay on all fours. Take posterior pelvic tilt. We're going to really zipper up and engage. Exhale. If it's safe for you, we can come all the way down to the ground. Let's prop ourselves up onto our forearms. And we're going to exhale and come up into a modified plank. So exhale, lifting from your belly button, and then holding here or holding in your posterior pelvic tilt. Breathe. Breathing into your side and back ribs, keeping your core engaged. Shoulders are rolled down your back. Release down. Breathe. Let's do that one more time. Exhale. Scoop. Release down. Good. We're going to go up and down out of this pose, and we can add a pelvic floor contraction. So again, exhale, scoop, pelvic floor lift, down. Let's do one more. Release. Good. Breathe here. Exhale, engaged. Come back to all fours. And then we'll come to a kneeling position. Let's bring one foot forward here. We're going to bring our hands in front. Exhale, keeping engaged. We're gonna open up to the side. If you have diastasis recti, maybe you're only opening up a quarter of the way. Big inhale into your side and back ribs. Exhale, inhale, close. Two more. Beautiful, release. Let's switch to the other side. Bring our hands out front, inhale, exhale. Last one. Good. Release. Let's bring it in. Let's stabilize ourselves on our knees here. We can bring one elbow up. We're going to reach down towards the ground, and then we can really use our obliques here, coming up. Last one on this side. Switching to the other side. Take a big breath. Exhale. Last one. Let's bring our hands in front, and we are going to engage and do little twists back and forth using your core muscles. Good, release. Let's take a sip of water. Let's get down safely on our side. We can roll over on to our backs. Let's pay some attention to our pelvic floor here. So you can either imagine a blueberry at the opening of your vagina and you're going to lift it in and up, or perhaps you can imagine a string from your belly button to the opening of your vagina, and then you are shortening that string as you lift it up, and then fully relax. And it's just as important to fully relax as to get a good, strong contraction. So we are going to exhale, contract, lift, hold, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fully release. Let's take a breath here. Big inhale. Exhale. Shortening your string. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Fully relax. Prepare again. Inhale. Exhale. Lift. Hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, fully relax. Good. Let's lift up, release. Lift in and up, release. Last one here. Good. Now we can do an elevator Kegel. So we're going to pretend that our pelvic floor is an elevator, and we're going to take it up to floor 1, 2, 3, and then release, 2, 1, ground floor. Prepare again. Lift it up just to first, second, third floor, second, first, ground floor. Perfect. Let's exhale and we can bring up our knees. If you have a diastasis recti, you're going to do toe taps dropping down. If it's safe for you, you can extend and we're going to switch legs. So wherever you are, keeping your core engaged, breathing into your side and back ribs. Exhale as you extend your leg. Good, let's bring our knees in again. We can bring our hands out and you can either pump your hands here, or if it's safe for you, you can exhale, bringing your shoulders and head up, lift through your chest. We'll pump here. Good, releasing it down. Let's take our hands out to a T position. And we're either going to drop to the side and then extend one foot, or if you have diastasis recti, you're gonna bring your feet down and then heel slide out, extending it that way. Wherever you are, exhale. Good, bring it in. Let's bring our hands just underneath our glutes. We can extend our feet up. Let's flex them. And then we're going to exhale, lift here. Last one. Good, release down. Let's stretch opposite direction. We can roll over on our side, come back up to a seated position. You did amazing. I hope that your core and pelvic floor are feeling strong. Sometimes it can really take time to feel those muscles, but if you stick with it, you can feel them more and more as the strength comes back. If you had a postpartum mom friend that you were going to share this out with, don't forget to share it out now, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5.